sharing how you can make your own dishwasher rinse aid. This rinse aid is easy to make, it's just 3 ingredients, and it's non-toxic, so you can feel good using it on the dishes you're eating on. To make this, you'll need boiling water, citric acid, and lemon essential oil. The lemon oil is optional, it's just to make it smell great, and you can choose a different scent if you'd like. And then you'll need some kind of bottle or jar to pour it in. Pour half a cup of boiling water into a measuring glass or bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of citric acid. Stir until the citric acid dissolves. Add about 10 to 15 drops of the essential oil and stir that in. Then pour it into your bottle or jar. This jar is an old one I had and am reusing, but I've linked some similar ones that you can buy below. Then just let the mixture cool before putting the lid on. While I waited for mine to cool, I made a label for the bottle. You can find this label on our blog and download it for free to print at home. I print all my labels on water-resistant matte sticker paper and keep reusing the same sheets, which is why this is awkward to cut. But this paper works really great for bottle labels. It's linked below. Add the rinse aid to your dishwasher's rinse aid compartment as needed.